कल्याणी वर्कशॉप मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा। ये मेरे लिए बहुत ही इंस्पिरेशनल वर्कशॉप था। इसका एक सेशन मैंने मिस किया व्हिच आई रिग्रेट। और ये सेशंस में मैंने कुछ पूरा वीक मेरा जाता था और आई यूज्ड टू लुक फॉरवर्ड टू सैटरडेज टू कम हियर एंड इट यूज्ड टू जस्ट रिफ्रेश मी। और लाइफ के कुछ क्वेश्चंस थे जिनके जवाब मुझे इसमें इनडायरेक्टली या डायरेक्टली मिल गए। सो इट हैज़ हेल्प मी अ लॉट इन सेल्फ डिस्कवरी एंड माई सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस। थैंक यू सो मच।
This has really been a very beautiful journey for me to come and attend all the sessions. I have gained so much at this age and stage. Still, there is so much to learn. I am really thankful and I am looking forward for many more. Thank you so much.
My name is Rajni Pagga. I'm a devotee of Ramakrishna Mission. Today I had the most profound opportunity to attend the last session of Kalyani on self-discovery. And I feel that such programs are so enlightening for everyone, especially the women who are the builders of the nation, to start a journey into their own self for their self-growth. Because unless until we grow within ourselves, we challenge ourselves, we come out of our comfort zone, we cannot bring about a change in our surroundings. So I think this session is not just for my own self growth, for my own self development, but also for developing and understanding and motivating the people around me. Thank you so much, the trainers and the team and the Ramakrishna Mission and Viva for this opportunity. Thank you so much.
Kalyani, a journey of self-discovery. I consider myself fortunate enough and blessed to attend these wonderful sessions, woven with an empathetic feel. What I learned is I revisited and rediscovered my thoughts. And today, I owe it to Kalyani sessions, for it made me realize the word Kalyani. And each participant who all participated, I'm very confident, have realized the worth of their womanhood. Be a Kalyani. Thanks so much to all the facilitators, Ramakrishna Mission, for bestowing so much knowledge, connecting each other and setting the positive vibrations, knitting us all together under the umbrella of shower and grace. Thank you.
So Kalyani, this journey has been very beautifully designed in 6 sessions, one after the other, and the first journey being knowing about yourself. So this has been really a very beautiful thing. All the sessions I couldn't attend, unfortunately, but whatever sessions I could, it has really helped me to know about myself and my self-worth. And I would say that it's just the initiation or the beginning, and I'm looking forward to more such sessions. So thank you.
आई एम जागोरी भट्टाचार्य जी। मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा ये कल्याणी ज्वाइन करके। मुझे ऐसे फील हो रहा जैसे मैं सीनियर सिटीज़न हूँ, लास्ट ब्रीथ में भी हम कुछ सीख सकते हैं। तो कल्याणी ने मुझे बहुत कुछ सिखाया, सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ा। कभी कभी हम डिप्रेस्ड हो जाते, मैं अपने आप को ओवरकम किया है उससे। थैंक यू ऑल द मेंबर्स ऑफ कल्याणी। और मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूँगी मैं दोबारा भी मुझे ज्वाइन करवाएं। थैंक यू।
Kalyani has been a deeply enriching experience. It has given me some beautiful space for introspection. I feel so heard here, and I learned so many things about practical spirituality, living in this mundane world, and still be true to your own self, something that I will carry for life. And I leave with a renewed sense of calm, purpose, and clarity. Thank you, Kalyani, and thank you all the facilitators for facilitating this. Thank you so much.